Alright, yo, what's good? It's your boy Mario. I'm back with another video. On today's video, I'm gonna go over market structure. Market structure is like a fundamental thing you need to know when you trading. So, you feel me? Just like you play basketball, you need to know how to pass, you need to know how to shoot, you know how to read the floor. Football, if you're a quarterback, you need to know how to throw the ball, you need to know how to read the defense, you need to know where the position's at. You know what I mean? So in trading, fundamental shit you need to know when trading is you need to know market structure. Because if you get market structure, then you can know if it's in an uptrend, meaning it's going to keep going up like it's doing now. This is an uptrend. Or it's going to go down like it was doing right there on the downtrend. Okay? But it's levels to market structure. It's like, it get deep. So I'm gonna try to break it down as simple as possible, as fast as I can. And if I need to break it down even more simpler in the next video, just let me know. So, cause I'm a person, you gotta dumb it down super simple for me to understand. You know what I mean? I'm not the smartest motherfucker on earth. I promise you. Alright, so let me break it down. So, bull trend is an uptrend. So you see how I go green, down, up, bull trend. You got bear trends going down. See it go down, go up a little bit, down, go up a little bit, down, go up a little bit. And then you got ranger when it's traded sideways, meaning it's consolidating. If I ever say that, that means sideways. When the chart is going up and down, sideways. It's not really going up or down. It's just, going sideways, keeping a level, steady level. And so if you ever watch any of my past trading videos, or I may not did it, but I might do it in the future where I have some kind of zigzag and yellow lines start popping up on the screen, is because I seen two equal highs and I'm trying to trade a reversal at the same height, like right here. But if you watch every video, usually I am trading in these little slots right here. So I got a strategy where I'm trying to get outside the blue counter channel. There's a little blue cloud on the screen. I be trying to get outside of it and then go to and bet that it goes the opposite direction. So on an uptrend, if it come down outside the blue counter channel thing, blue counter channel is this blue thing right here. You see where it's blue? Matter of fact, okay, let me break it down. These are candlesticks, and there you go, up and down. We're betting that we will make money if it goes up or down, wherever we enter at, okay? So boom, the first thing before I even think about if it's gonna go up or down, I need to see what direction it is already going. That's the first thing I need to figure out. So, okay, I see that it's going up. So how do I know it's going up? You look at how it's structured, like the skeleton of this whole chart. Like it go up, down, up, down, up. Alright, you see how this go up, down, up, down, up. Those are the same. That is an uptrend. If you ever see it go up, down, up, it's an uptrend. If you ever see it go down, up, down, it is a downtrend. Down, up, down. It's a downtrend. Okay? You see where it got these letters right here? Like, what is that? HHHL is. So, this mean a higher high, and this mean a higher low. So, you see it went up. I'm gonna go down right here. You see it goes up and then go down. The reason why this a higher high is because this point is that point is higher than this point. So that means it is higher. And the reason why this is a higher low is because this point is higher than this point, but it's still lower than this. So it has to be a higher low and not just HH also, or it couldn't just be just a low, because if it's a low, that means it's lower than all of this. It's lower than when we first started right here. That's the only way it can be a low. Or when we get deeper, I'm gonna show you how it can change. But if you understand that, comment down below. I understand higher highs and higher lows. If you don't understand it, let me know so I can get better at explaining it and make another video. Alright, cool. So now we understand what is an uptrend and a downtrend. I'm gonna show you what we call break of structure. So break of structures are just this distance between one high and another. So you see how it go up and then it go down. Okay, as it goes up, it broke the even spot from right here. You see how a line goes straight through right here. Once it kept going up past that space right there is now called a break of structure, because the structure is just going up. It's breaking the structure to go up. That's all it is. You know how like a Wi-Fi bar go up every time another bar passed the other Wi-Fi bar? There's a break of structure. You're probably like, Mario, what the fuck is you talking about? Okay, boom. Wi-Fi bar. Okay, I wasn't talking about, I was talking about this one right here. Okay, boom. You see the one on this left side right here. You see how it's right here, then another one is taller than this. Once it broke that spot right here, once it got taller than this, it made a break of structure because it broke the last previous high. Same from right here and right here. If you drew a line right on top of this, that line would be the break of structure because this next one passed it. And it's always a next one, a new break of structure when the previous candle, in our situation, because we trading candlesticks, when the previous, see how it's the same, all of the candle. You feel me? Gotta use the Wi-Fi to even do this shit. It's, But yeah, if you understand break of structure, let me know. If you was like, hey, that was a dumb explanation, I'm lost, let me know, because I really need to know if it's making sense or not. So okay, boom, now we understand what break of structure is. We are gonna learn change of character. And it's crazy. I think I would have never thought I'd be on here recording myself, learning, teaching how to do this shit. But I guess that's what the fuck I'm doing. But I need other people to know how to do this, bro, so we can be making money together. You feel me? I need all y'all to learn this shit so we can make some money together, bro. Man, it was one more change of structure. I can't find it. I mean change of character. I want to break that down to you also. Matter of fact, we'll learn that later. That's too advanced for me to be teaching in one. Yeah. Alright. Okay, boom. Alright, so now that we know what the difference between uptrend, a downtrend, consolidation, meaning sideways, we know what that is, and we know what a break of structure is. Now we know the basics to understand market structure. There's one more thing y'all need to learn, which is change of character. But we're going to focus on learning this first, and then that's more advanced. So we'll get that after this video. So once I see everybody kind of understand market structure, then I'll go to that one. But so we just finna look at different ones and see, can we identify if it's an uptrend, downtrend, consolidation. This right here is what I consider consolidation. Right here is consolidating. You see how it's going sideways, up, down. It's not really going up. It's not really going down. It's just level. That's sideways. From there to there would be a downtrend. So if we're looking at the chart from here all the way to here, it is in a downtrend. It went down, going up, went sideways, down. You feel me? It went. This would be a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. And if you notice in my trading videos, I'm usually trading these lower lows, lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. I'm trading outside these blue spaces because I know because of market structure, at some point it's gonna go the other way. Because of market structure and this little blue cloud thing I use and these other things I got on here. You get in the Discord, link should be in the description. Free, get in the Discord. I break down the strategy, what all these different things are, everything. If you ebook or video, if you whatever, which one you prefer, you know I got it for you. I do use strong language sometimes. You feel me in my video, so if that offend you, just read the ebook. Don't watch the video. You know what I mean? But all right, cool. All right, boom. This is like consolidating, and then it went down here and it's breaking up. So this is what I would call a change of character, but y'all don't really know what that is. You know what, but I'm gonna go ahead and break it down. Okay, this right here, I would consider this a change of character, and I'll explain why. Okay, so you can see it went down, then it went up, then it went down. So it's basically a downtrend, right? Okay, and so it goes up, down, up. So it's trying to make a uptrend, but it went back down. So it's still considered a downtrend this whole time. It's still a downtrend from here to right here. It's still a downtrend. Okay, now it went down and it went all the way back up. So once it broke this lower high right here, and the reason why I call this a lower high is because it was going down at the time from there to there, there to there, and it got high, but it still didn't get higher than this. So it's not a new high. It's just a lower high. It's a high lower than this high. That's why it's called a lower high. Okay? When it kept going down, and then now you see it shooting past up. So now this represents a change of character. The character has changed. The character before was downtrend. It would say the character before was downtrend. It was going down. Now that it is breaking up above here, it's acting different. You acting different now. You're not acting like how you was acting before. You was going down. You was a nigga that you kept going down. You feel me? That you was going down. Now you done got your shit together. You going up. You feel me? You up now. That your character is not the same. You're different. You're going up. So there's now preparing to be a uptrend. So if it comes down and reverse and goes up again, it will now be a uptrend. It is no longer a downtrend. Does that make sense? If that don't make sense, let me know. Comment down below so I can find a way to break it down a little easier. But you see how it's steady going up. It's going down. It's trying to go up. So yeah, that's it. It's not that hard. You feel me? The more you look at it, the more you'll understand. You're not supposed to understand all of it the first time. Like, as long as you do 30 minutes a day for a cool 3 months, you'll be good. Honestly, you already know what to do. Now you just have to learn how to be disciplined, start revenge trading, and stick to your strategy and all that. But yeah, that's it for this video. If it was helpful, leave a like, comment, subscribe. yeah, follow me on Instagram, TBF_Mari. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see.